Yeah, what's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm in the BMW 5 Series, the E60. Today I got the rear window fixed, the broken window. They didn't have the windshield available, so I couldn't get the windshield done today. But the car drives pretty well. I'm driving it right now. I'm actually in it. You know, you see the window behind me. That's the window that was broken over there, the right rear. That's fixed. I got it done today. It wasn't that expensive. Cleaned the interior cleaned up well, as you can see. As you can see around me, the interior cleaned up pretty well. I had to bring this jump box because the battery is pretty much dead, so I had to jump it, and I bought the little jump box. You can see right there in the seat. I got it hooked up, charging in the car, so if anything happens, if I stop and the battery dies, I can just jump it back. But it seems like the battery's trying to hold the charge, but we'll see where it goes.